what's like your variable income? Like what's like monthly?
So, I mean, in the winter, I really don't work that much, but honestly,
Mm-hmm.
it's a really good waitering job. It's a very high class restaurant.
Okay.
So,
Where
like
where are you located?
in the New Jersey.
New Jersey. Okay.
So yeah, so I kind of I haven't really saved. I didn't save that much money going through college just because I was paying for my college degree and stuff, and like it's kind of
Yeah.
hard to save money. But since this past year, I was able to put away like just under 20,000, and then
20,000. Wow.
investing it in the investing in the stock market, I turned it in like 31 just from investing
31.
in value in ETFs.
Okay. Let me ask you a
So
question. Do you
that's
have
what
do
I'm
you have
working.
any do you have any debt?
No, I paid all my college tuition and everything
Awesome,
on
bro.
no car payments, no nothing. So
What would you say
that's
is
like
what would you say is like the ratio between like that $31,000? Like what percentage is like ETFs and what percentage is basically like picking stocks?
okay. So in the beginning, I got really into like value investing and like I've been investing for like a little over 2 years, but I didn't start putting major amounts of money until I
Mm-hmm.
started like this summer once the thing hit.
Yeah.
My restaurant was actually open, so I was lucky. And obviously,
Mm-hmm.
like nothing was going on. I was like, I'm putting my head down and working like every single day, like as much money as I can put away. So I put
Yeah.
away like 20,000. I
Mm-hmm.
started picking a lot of value stocks. In the beginning, like Wells Fargo when it went down,
Yeah,
I
that
actually
was a good
did some
one.
cigar butt. I found some cigar butts and I actually invested in those, and surprisingly, they did really well.
That's awesome.
And then
Well, that's not a surprise, right?
kind
Because
of
when you're
like
investing like that, you're basically having a safety margin. So it's not a surprise. It's more like, oh, I made that money because you did
yeah,
the things
yeah,
correctly, right?
yeah. It's just like
Yeah.
you don't like think it's actually gonna like. I mean, I've been like reading about it for so long, and then you finally find one. You're like, all right, well, I'm gonna put like a few thousand in it, and
Yeah.
like every single stock that was a cigar butt, I made at least 20% of my money.
That's awesome.
But I was picking individual stocks, and then after a few months, I kind of like got more busy with school, and then I started going. And as I built more money up, like I finally got to like 29,000. I was like, all right, the stock
Mm-hmm.
market got obviously higher in price. So like
Yeah.
I don't want to start picking individual stocks when the stock market got higher. I
Yeah.
kind of started gradually going more into ETFs now. I own the Dow Jones, which is mostly about 90% of my portfolio, and
Wow.
then the rest of my portfolio is like 80 just cheap stocks that I found, and then kind of just investing in those and leaving like one or two shares and just leaving those.
Wait,
But those are like
so you
small
don't
cap
have
stocks.
like you don't have any like when it comes to like ETFs, you don't have any diversification there, right? It's just like the Dow Jones, that's it.
It's just the Dow, yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
I
You
was
should add
so
you should
when
add
I
some
was
like diversification to that.